Hello, lovely people. I feel like I normally start my vlogs in the morning, but I've actually been awake and doing stuff today. So look at us. I haven't just rolled right out of bed. We're spending the day together as always. I'm currently editing on my laptop right now. I have a video going up tomorrow, so I just need to finish the thumbnail. Should not take too long at all. This is actually the carpool karaoke summer playlist video that I make every single year. I always get options of thumbnails and screenshot a bunch of them, but this is just hilarious. Like, look at our faces. This is the final thumbnail for now. Sometimes I end up playing around with it a little bit more. There she is. Go watch this video if you have not. It's freaking amazing. I loved that video. I'm just gonna add it and schedule this one to go up. It's my favorite part of the day. Caffeine o'clock. Today's options include my new obsession bubbler. I've been really liking this one because it has natural caffeine and I'm trying to cut out the caffeine. I've been drinking these, and the twisted elixir and the watermelon are my favorite flavors, but we also have some Milani in here. I busted them up a little bit, so the tops are kind of messed up. This flavor is so good. Pink slush, I love. It's also in the runners, but we also have Prime. I haven't had a Prime energy drink in so long. I'm kind of feeling Alani or bubbler. Alani wins this round. I'm such a weirdo, but I can't drink anything without a straw. I put them in everything. The noise is terrible, but everything tastes better out of a straw. Unfortunately, your girl shrunk 2 things in the wash. And these are like 2 of my favorite pieces of clothing that, if you know, I wear constantly. Unfortunately, I'm listing them on Depop, which sucks for me, but it's awesome for y'all. This is my favorite romper. It's from Princess Polly. I literally wore the shit out of this and I shrunk it, and because I'm tall, now the shorts go up my butt cheeks. If you're 5'8" like me, don't buy this, but if you're shorter than that in any capacity, this will look amazing on you, and it's literally my favorite piece of clothing ever. That's on Depop. And then my freaking white linen pants. I shrunk them too, and because I'm so tall, now they're high waters on my ankles. And lastly, I'm listing this really pretty orange dress that I just never wore because it never fit me right. Just some cute pieces going up on my Depop. This is for the people. I'm doing you all a favor and listing my favorite clothes. I don't want my toes in the picture. Oh, not my white linen pants. I don't even know how you shrink clothes in the wash. Like, how does that even happen? They are now listed, and I actually went through my closet, and I always have this big bag of donations. I finally dropped them off at the donation center like the other day, so that just felt really good to get rid of the clothes that I've been meaning to donate for so long. Like, I'd go through and clean my closet. I just would take forever to drop them off. Walmart, and I literally just needed 2 things: turkey pepperoni, because they didn't have any at Aldi when I did my grocery shopping this week, and bell peppers were also out, and I like to make stuffed bell peppers for dinner. I also needed a picture frame. In the next place I was gonna go, I was gonna get picture frames, and this one's only $2 here. This is perfect for what I need it for. Literally just a standard picture frame. But now I'm just walking around. This is the deodorant that I love so much that's been working so good for me. Is this the gel version? Yeah, gel. I don't like the gel, so we're just gonna get this one. I don't think this one's gel. Oh, dang it, it is. Well, no deodorant for me then. I'm just gonna wait till I go to another Walmart. That one is so good. It lasts all day. I put multiple people onto that. Like, people in my real life have been like, what deodorant are you wearing? It smells so good and it lasts. That's how you know. Holy bazzolis, it's 1,000,000 degrees outside. Move to Florida, they say. I ended up getting the picture frame from there. Now, I'm gonna eat my car snack. Come on, Air. Air is working overtime. Cheez-Its are so good. Second stop, here we go. Oh my gosh, look at these adorable little shark cups. There's so much cute summer stuff. I love this. That'd be so cute on my door if I like painted it. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. You're coming home with me. I really only came in here to get junk journal supplies because if you don't know, I've been junk journaling to the max. It's my new obsession. I do it literally every day and I love it so much, but I'm getting very distracted by all the cute things in here. Take a bite. There's shark plates. I can admire, but I'm walking away. Here we are. Look at all the stickers that they have. I love embellishing my journal with stickers. These little hearts, yes. And then I like these because there's multiple colors and they're circular. I also really like these numbers and they're sparkly. These are just good for dating things or birthdays, so yes to these as well. And here's the wall picture frames I was talking about. If you were looking for a cheap frame, this is your girl. I kind of wish I didn't get the one from, oh shit. Thank God it's not glass. Look what I just ran into. Be kind, I see it everywhere, even on an air freshener. That is me in an air freshener if I've ever seen one.
Thank you for shopping at Dollar Tree.
I'm back and I was just sitting down to read my current book, but I thought I should share with you guys. Since we all know how much I love reading, I'm so excited to announce that I'm starting my own book club. So thank you so much to Fable for sponsoring this video. If y'all haven't heard about Fable, it has now become my go-to app for finding, reading, and discussing books. And it's gonna be where I'm hosting my book club. So many of you guys tell me that you would love to join a book club of mine because we have the same interests in reading. You want somebody to discuss the books with. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to finish my current read so I can start my book club's current read. For those curious, I'm reading Something Wilder by Christina Lauren. At the start of July, my book club is starting, and my first book club pick is Just for the Summer by Abby Jimenez, which is gonna be such an amazing summer kickoff beach read. I have heard nothing but amazing things about this book, and I love me some Abby Jimenez. I have some of her books on my shelves, and I just know that so many of you guys would love this as well. So if you're interested in joining my book club, please download Fable. And as a group of community reading this book, we can have discussions and talk about it, decide what the next book is gonna look like. This book club is gonna go forever. Like, I have no plans of stopping it, which means every single month there's gonna be a different book choice. I have already started the Caiti Mackenzie Book Club, and as you can see, the book is right here. I love that everyone can read at their own pace and we can still discuss it. And then there's a reflection at the end where not only can we talk about the book as a whole, but you can rate the book, and they have half stars. Fable has half stars. No other book app has that. Everyone go run and get your Just for the Summer book. I bought mine on Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks. I would love to read this book with y'all. Seriously, if even just one person joined this book club, it would make my heart so happy. Y'all have no idea how big of a dream this is, and just another cool way for me to interact with the people that support me most and the book lovers out there who just love reading as much as I do. So if you're interested in downloading Fable or joining my book club, click the link in the description. So before we start this beautiful book, I'm gonna sit down and finish this one. I didn't anticipate on finishing this book in one sitting, but I had like 160 pages left before I sat down to finish, and then it got really good, and I have, let's see, I have like 40 pages left, and I'm so invested. I have to finish. I love Christina Lauren. They are so good together. They write the best books, and this one is really freaking good. And I'm gonna finish. I'm on chapter 30. I finished! That was so good, and I actually enjoyed it a lot more than I thought I was going to. Let's stamp it. I got this book stamp for Christmas, and I freaking love it. Every time I finish a book, I get to stamp it. Yay! Now I'm gonna go leave a review on Fable. It's crafty girl time. This summer to me has just been all about crafts and doing fun, creative things. We're gonna DIY this picture frame. Obviously, I got the picture frame at Walmart. I picked up super glue at a Dollar Tree just because I had regular glue, but then I was like, I don't know if that's gonna work. Glue seashells that I have collected around the outside of the frame and then put a picture of us together at the beach. I just think it's gonna be so fun. She's moving, so she'll have like a new room to decorate, and she's very beachy just like me. I hope she likes it. I don't know, I feel like I would love if somebody did this for me, so I'm just gonna super glue all the pretty shells along the outside. I think it's gonna be cute. I really hope it comes together. I'm just gonna dig through and find some cute shells that I like. Luckily, these are all pretty, but I'm picking out the small ones, obviously, so they'll stick better to the frame. I'm not gonna put a big honker on there. Sorry, but this guy is not gonna, that's not gonna work. I'm scared. Oh, it popped open. I literally almost just super glued my fingers together. Please come off. Here's the progress. Obviously, super glue is super sticky. These little augers lay really flat because they're long and skinny, but the ones that have the big curves are hard to glue down. I'm just hoping that once it all dries, they stay. I might have to add a little bit more glue, but I'm also realizing that I don't typically collect like little baby shells. I'm having to really dig through this, and there are so many shells in here. Not a lot of them are little baby ones. I'm having a lot of fun like designing it and matching where everything should go, and I think it's coming along good. Here is the final frame. I'm letting it dry, and then I'm going to move it around, make sure no shells fall off. And I actually got a lot more different kinds of shells on there than I expected. Kitten paw, auger, scallop, slippery snail. That's a piece of a sand dollar. This is a Florida fighting conch. So I got a lot more variety of shells than I was anticipating, and I think it looks really cute. So fun, such a fun little craft. If this works, I'm definitely gonna do it with more frames and maybe do it for my house. I just put together this junk journal spread with all the junk I collected today and then some other scraps that I've had, but I used some of the new embellishments that I got. Fun little bits and bobs. But my junk journal has been coming together so good. I've been making so many different spreads. I love this spread. It's just like food that I've eaten. I've just been playing around with it, having so much fun. So this was today's. I think it turned out really freaking cute. I told y'all it's a crafty summer. For some reason, I've just been wanting to be crafty, and it's been treating me well. I've been really enjoying it. It's dinner time, and I picked up this chicken fajitas from Aldi, and I got my pan out ready to like put it in the skillet, and it literally says microwave. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. We'll see if this is any good. Smells good. Here's dinner. I just chopped up the chicken a little bit, and we're gonna try it. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. I'm just really picky when it comes to foods, and especially meat. Ooh, it's actually good. For being done in literally 3 minutes, like, you can't beat it. I'm gonna add some cheese on top because cheese makes everything better. I'm also gonna add this Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. Okay, that should be more than enough. And for to drink, I'm cheating on Poppy, and we're trying this Olipop. Olipop was on sale at the store, and I'd never had it, so I picked up a bunch of flavors. I'm fully a Poppy girl. I like it way better, but we're gonna try this one. I've never had it. This is probably the best Olipop flavor I've tried, but I still don't like it nearly as much as Poppy. I don't know why, the tastes are just so different to me. And I feel like you're either a Poppy girl or an Olipop girl. But I'm just gonna eat my din din and chill. I'm at my apartment's gym, and we're gonna go do a little workout. I love when I'm the only one in here because it's just so nice, and I can play my own music out loud. I can dance, I can sing, I can watch TikToks. It's the best. Back, and I'm ending the vlog here because I'm gonna shower and I'm exhausted. I'm gonna lay on that couch and watch a show and probably pass out because I'm tired. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I hope you had as much fun as I did. This vlog was just super fun and creative, and I think we got to do a lot of my favorite things together. Don't forget to download Fable and join my book club. I cannot wait to chat with you guys on there and read the same book at the same time. That's just so fun and special. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.